In today's video, I'm going to be talking about and teaching you how to add live chat support to your Shopify store. Now, this live chat support is not a default feature that you can find in Shopify. So what you're going to do to be able to have this is by utilizing apps. To utilize this, you're going to look over here on the left side. You have this apps. Simply select this apps and you will be able to search under here. Simply search live chat support. And click on enter. And we will be redirected to another page that would allow us to install different types of application into our Shopify store. Now, as you can see here, as the result for our live chat support, we have different types of application over here that would allow us to install or have this specific feature into our Shopify. So let's view live chat over here. We could also have ChatGPT over here. And aside from that, there isn't really other application that would allow us to do that. But let's check this specific application over here. As you can see, this live chat or help desk, which will cost us $20 per month, but it has a 14-day free trial. It will allow us to engage with our customers, browsing our stores with coupons, deals, and announcement. It will allow us to assist our customers with their product recommendation sent to them via chat. We will be able to see our customers' order history besides each conversation, and we will be able to access the customer's cart the moment they come to chat, connect and engage with customers at any time using asynchronous communication. These are the different things that you will be able to do with live chat. So you're simply going to click on install. You're going to have to pay for the $19, of course, but you have a 14-day free trial. So after connecting your credit card, you will be able to use and utilize the specific application for free for 14 days. Then you will have to pay $19 a month, of course, after this. But it's a very useful platform. There's a preview over here on what it would look like. As you can see here, this is what the chat would look like. You have a pop-up chat and like a messenger type chat over here. And there's other options, but based on what we saw earlier, there isn't too much options for us to choose from. But anyway, after adding that, you will be able to utilize and add that to your online store, which would help you help your customers who might have some issues with the different things that are found in your online store. For example, they would like to ask or inquire about something. They will be able to reach out to you with easier ways through this chat or customer chat support of your Shopify store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.